Yo, good morning. Yeah. So this is your dialogue. So your dialogue here is this is your girlfriend. So a normal romantic word with your girlfriend. So on your way to kiss, you know what to do about that. Do you understand your dialogue? Alright, can we pick up? Alright, camera, are you set?
Yes, I'm set.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Silence everywhere! Action!
Hey, do you know I love you? I want you. I can die for you. You are my sugar. Can I have this?
Oh God!
What happened now? What happened now?
Camera battery is off.
Battery is off.
Yes.
Do you have any extra battery with you?
Yes.
Alright, change the battery. Change the battery. D-Money. Hey! Sorry.
Which battery
Sorry.
D-Money now? Change the battery. Change the battery.
Don't worry, it's going to change the battery. Change the battery. How
What
far
happened?
you set?
What's the problem now?
Are you sure? So, D-Money, hope you remember the dialogue.
Yes, sir.
Alright, take 2. Action!
I love you. I will die for you. I can die for you too. Can I have this?
Oh God!
God have mercy upon us.
Memory card. Do you have any extra memory card?
I didn't have any extra memory card.
Oh my God, we have to postpone this one. Okay. Can pack the camera, pack it. D-Money, I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. AY, we are sorry, we have to postpone this one.
Postpone what?
The memory card is already found, there's no many extra memory card.
Don't tell me that. You cannot tell me that. Why memory card you go full? Use full memory.
We can't use phone memory card, so we just have to go. We have to go.
Camera.
Yes. Leave my brain.
No! What's the meaning of this? You've been taking this thing serious.
It's my bed now.
You've been taking this thing serious. This thing is a film.
Give yourself.
We are acting film here.
God
This thing is not a
have
serious
mercy
thing. Oh.
upon us.
You've been
serious
taking
about
it serious. Oh.
I'm serious.
You are serious about what? You are on set. On set. This thing is a film, not a reality. You've been taking it as if it's a
Don't tell me
reality.
that. Don't tell me
It's not
that.
a reality show. Mama, let's go.
Boss.
Come on, I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
I can show you.
Show me what is that.
I will stop the
Hey, I don't enter Wala.
Wait up.